हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे स्टेबिलिटी मींस वी विल डिस्कस अराउंड which ring is stable means which compound is stable, you can say also. So we will select through there are two or three factors, which are two or three factors by which you can say which ring is more stable. Okay, so first of all you should be know about the substituents nature. Okay, substituents nature, you should be know about the substituent nature. Second is you should be know that cis form, cis group means if if the two groups are cis position in cyclohexane, so which means it should be an axial or equatorial. So like that, if the structure containing cis form, then group will be on either axial, one should be group, there are two groups should be. Okay, so first of all two groups should be present. Okay, so that's why you can say that the group is cis position or transposition. Okay, so if you see the group either in cis form, it should be one should be axial, one should be equatorial. Okay, we are equatorial axial. Okay, so if you see here, suppose that this is cyclohexane. Okay, so if there are two groups, suppose that CS3, one is CS3 and other is C2S5. Okay, so in case of a cis form, axial is means one should be an axial. Suppose that should be axial, then other should be equatorial, means it should be equatorial. So the cis form which can be 1-2 or 1-4 substituted. Okay, but in case of if you see 1-3, it should be changed. Okay, so mostly this structure, the 1-2 and 1-4 substituent will be asked, so you should be focused only this one. Okay, in case of trans, the two groups will be either axial or equatorial. What I want to say, suppose that this is cyclohexane ring, so one group should be axial, this position is axial. Okay, and this position is equatorial. So in trans, one should be axial, other should be axial or equatorial. Okay, so in case if you see the other factor is you should know about flipping. Suppose that in solution form this is present. Okay, one group is more bulky as compared to this one. So if you carried out flipping 5, you should be carried out flipping. In case of flipping, the one structure should be stable and other should be not stable. It is not flipping, it is flipping. If you carried out, the structure should be like that. Okay, so it should be if the CS3 is an equatorial, then it should be an axial. And if this is equatorial, and then it should be an axial, means this after flipping, if you carried out, the group which is an axial, it goes to equatorial and equatorial goes to axial. Okay, so it is the common factors. So if you come out in this question, the stable product, if you select out, then stability in this case, if you see that oxygen 2 carbon is replaced by oxygen atoms. Okay, so if you see, since this is 3 carbon is here, okay, 1 methyl is here, so if you see this is equatorial. Okay, it is equatorial means E, this is A. Okay, so A and E, since bulky group is an equatorial, so it should be stable. and in case it is an E and it is an E, means transform, it is also stable because bulky group is an bulky group. This is bulky group, it should always in equatorial, but in case it is an axial, so its both structures should be unstable. And if you see, these are the flipping form, because this is an axial, so it should be an equatorial after flipping. Okay, and in case if you see both structure and means flipping is carried out in both structure. Okay, so it is my means we want to discuss these main points by which you can analyze which ring is stable and which ring is not stable. Okay, so thank you friends. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any queries, please write down your comment in the comment box below given here. Okay, we will solve your problem. So thank you friends.